What's up guys, I'm from BSc Tech with another short video, and today's video is about how to transfer your WhatsApp data from Android devices to iPhone devices. Very easy and straightforward process. It will take only a few clicks. All you have to do is download this app. The link is given in the description below. Just follow the instructions, and once the app is installed, just open the app, and after opening the app, connect your both devices. I'm opening the app, and once the app is installed and open, the interface will look like this. A very simple and easy to use app, and all you need to do is to connect your devices. So guys, as you can see that we have connected one device. The second device we are going to connect now. Here we have iPhone 6 connected, and click on the social app transfer tab. As you can see, there are two sections here. First section is WhatsApp transfer. Transfers WhatsApp chats and attachments between iOS and Android, or Android and iOS, vice versa. And the second one is Line. You can also use this app to transfer data from between Android and iPhone devices from Line Messenger. So let's click on the WhatsApp. As you can see that here we have iPhone 6 and the destination is Google Pixel 2 XL, but as you can see on the small screen that the data is basically the WhatsApp messages we have to move from Android. So we'll change the source. You can change or keep the source based on your requirement. If you are migrating from iPhone or iOS to Android, then you can change that, vice versa. So guys, very simple and easy to use interface, and once connected and you see this screen, hit transfer, and just wait for the process to finish, and meanwhile you can just follow the instructions. So I'll just hit transfer, and as soon as you hit transfer, you see this pop-up message. And guys, just keep note of this section, that you must back up your data before you apply the migration process through this app. Otherwise, if you lose your data, there's no guarantee that you will get any recovery. But if you back up your data on your WhatsApp devices through your accounts, then this is going to be a safe and sound process. So in my case, it's just a video we are making just to show you how this app will work and how you can do this process. So I'll click already process, and then I'll simply follow yes. At this point, you will see this pop-up window appearing, and it will say that backup in process, and in due course your Android device will reboot, and it will ask you to backup and then restore. What it will does in the background, that it will encrypt and then decrypt the data to migrate from the Android to the iOS device. As you can see guys, that the Pixel 2 XL has already been rebooted, and there's no WhatsApp left on the phone, but in the back end the app is actually generating the backup, and it will automatically install WhatsApp. And as you see this, just backup my data, click backup my data, and after that you'll receive another notification. Click continue. Meanwhile, the app is actually processing your data. Depending on the size, it will restore. If you have too many messages and videos and pictures, then obviously that is going to take time. That's it guys, the transfer is successfully processed. As you can see on screen, the both devices are rebooted. As you can see that there are two test messages. First one is transferring data, second one is transferring WhatsApp data. iPhone is rebooted, and as soon as it's rebooted, I'll show you that on screen that the backup has already been restored. So that was the shortest way guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and leave your feedback and comments, and I'll see you soon with another video. Till then, take good care of yourself. Have a good day. Bye bye.